Hey there, I'm Tyler from Food Liability Insurance Program, or as we like to call it, FLIP. You've probably heard of insurance coverage limits before, but it's important to have a good understanding of what they are and how they impact your coverage. In this video, I'm going to answer your questions about coverage limits and help you get a better understanding of why they matter. So what are insurance coverage limits? A coverage limit, sometimes called an insurance limit, is the maximum amount your insurance company will pay for a claim. Your coverage limits can be found in your insurance policy, but it never hurts to call your insurer to confirm what your limits are. It's important to understand your limits because they come into play when you file a claim. Whenever your insurance company pays for a claim, the amount is deducted from those limits. If the amount you're held responsible for exceeds your limits, you'll have to pay for the amount that's left. For example, let's say you have a limit of $1,000 to insure your business gear against theft. Your $1,500 generator gets stolen at a food festival and you file a claim to help cover the cost of replacing it. Your insurance covers the claim, but because the cost for your generator was higher than your coverage limit, you'd have to cover the remaining $500 yourself. This is why it's super important to consider what kind of coverage limits you need when shopping around for a policy. You don't want to choose a policy with limits that are too low and end up having to pay out-of-pocket costs. When you're looking at your policy, you might notice there are two types of limits: aggregate and per occurrence. An aggregate limit is the total amount your insurance company will pay for all claims you make within the policy period. For reference, policy periods are usually 12 months long. On the other hand, an occurrence limit is the most your carrier will pay for any claims that come from a single incident. For example, if the wind blows the awning off your food truck and it hits another customer and a nearby food truck, you may file both a property damage claim and a bodily injury claim. The amount your insurance can pay for this one incident that resulted in multiple claims depends on your per occurrence limit. So what are your coverage limits with a FLIP policy? FLIP-based base general liability coverage includes the following limits: a general liability aggregate limit of $2 million, products completed operations aggregate limit of $2 million, personal and advertising injury limit of $1 million, and a per occurrence limit of $1 million. You also get damage to premises rented to you with a limit of $300,000. You can get a policy from FLIP in 10 minutes or less and enjoy instant proof of insurance with our easy online application at flipprogram.com. And if your business needs higher limits, you can give us a call at 844-520-6992, and one of our licensed insurance agents can help you out. Thanks for watching.